Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a stable internet connection and closing Outlook so files aren't locked. Make sure you've saved work and signed out of secondary profiles. This avoids sync conflicts. If you're on Windows or Mac OS, check for pending OS updates because Office updates sometimes require them. Finally, ensure you have administrator rights or know the admin password. Without that, you can't install updates. Once ready, open Outlook or the Microsoft Store to proceed with the actual update steps. You'll update Outlook from inside the app by choosing File, then Office Account, and click Update Options, right arrow Update Now. This prompts Office 365 or Microsoft 365 updates. Alternatively, open the Microsoft Store, go to Library and select Get Updates if your Outlook came from the store. If your copy is an MSI install, go through Control Panel right arrow Programs and use the product's update mechanism. While downloading, do not interrupt the network. Updates may, once the installer finishes, restart your laptop to allow all services and add-ins to register correctly. After reboot, open Outlook and confirm the new version under File right arrow Office Account so you know the update applied. Make sure mail syncs and common add-ins load, then enable auto update or set a reminder to check monthly. If something goes wrong, uninstall recent updates or run Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. This tool diagnoses Outlook update and profile issues and often fixes corrupted installation files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.